Hold each other's gaze like you've done a million times before. You two have known each other for almost your entire lives. It's crazy to think that you're standing here today. All different seasons, all different moments of life. Out of all the moments you've shared, this one right here, right now will feel very different than all the rest. So take it in, enjoy it, because this will truly be a moment the two of you will remember for the rest of your lives.
When we first met as children that we would be standing here today. It may not have been love at first sight, but ever since you caught my eye, you surprised me, captivated me, challenged me in a way that I never knew was possible.
If you'd have told Shawn and Priscilla the day that they met, hey, guess what? This is gonna be your future spouse. There's no way they would have believed you. Okay. You see, Shawn and Priscilla actually met in the first grade. They noticed each other, of course, on the first day of school and became fast friends. A friendship, as we can tell, that would last a lifetime. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let the wedding begin. Woo! We all have thousands of important moments that happen through our lives, but this moment, you two, that you're sharing, why this moment? Well, really, when you think about it, despite all of our differences, love is what we all share.
We have been through so much together, not all of it easy, but together we have made it through all that life has thrown at us. When I look into your eyes, all of my worries and troubles fade away. It's like you hold magic in your beautiful brown eyes.
For the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Shawn and Priscilla Ali.